Alright guys, welcome back. For you guys following along. So now we're gonna move over to the power supply. It's a very nice power supply, I think. So without further ado, let's get to it. So let me get this baby over here, and this is what we have left, by the way, before some of my other stuff arrives. So this is a complete system for now. As complete as gonna get, if you consider without case complete, but it's a working system that should call not complete, but a working system. So now I'm really not sure how people do this with one hand, but you know, here it is. Not sure how I'm gonna get this thing out of here. Let's see. Let me pause the video and come right back. I was able to, get the first box out of the way. So I cheated a little bit here. I just peeled the stick a little bit to make it easier on myself, because actually finding this more challenging than I ever thought it was going to be. So, and there it is. And that's where we need to open. And now this is going to be a little heavy as well. Alright, beautiful. Let's get to it. So here we have solutions guide. Don't know what that's good for, but I suppose it's just a little thing showing everything else they sell, which is good, I guess. Not that I'm ever gonna read it. Warranty guide. Hopefully don't really need that. And safety information. And there it is. Important safety information. So that's our box. First thing you see is all the cables, and it's nice. They give you some screws and wire ties and a badge powered by Corsair. So the wire ties I can appreciate, and the badge is not bad either. Lots of cables. Lots and lots of cables. And let's set them over there for now. Here's our power cable. I have so many of these things, like, crowding my garage is ridiculous, but and nice protective foam thing here, which is good for the power supply, not very good for the environment, I suppose. Alright, and there she is. Nice big fan. I believe that's 200mm fan over there. So, take the plastic out of the way. Showing my temporary trash right there. I'm kidding, I saved those things for a little bit, just in case you need to, have a problem. So silent operation, low to moderate loads. In this mode, the fan will not spin. So that's one of the reasons why I chose this baby. Yep, the RM850. It's a gold standard, 80 gold. So it's supposed to be really silent, and it's supposed to be very little noise. So if any, unless you're doing something really intensive. And this is all the different connectors, which I'm sure they are in this box over here. Sealing cable, don't know what that is. Corsair link ready. Have to find out about it. It says right here in the box. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, you can see that. Corsair link ready. And I actually, looked in the box right here, but I have to go to their website to see what that's all about. So it works the Corsair link system with additional hardware not included. You can monitor the 12-volt current and fan speed from your desktop. Cool, but not sure if it's worth the trouble. And that's it. That's a very quick unboxing for you guys. I should have made it quicker, so my apologies there if I kept you guys waiting. Anyways, next time we'll come back and we'll probably go, do a quick one to open the CPU. All right, take it easy, bud.